Hello, shamanettes, and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. It's heating up, so these are my top tips for humidity-proof makeup for mature skin that anyone can do. Let's go. The secret isn't more powder, it's the right base. We're starting with the airbrushed skin primer. It's a matte primer, and it's a must. It fills in the fine lines and creates a Velcro-like surface for your makeup. Feels like silk and keeps you fresh and sweat-free all day. Summer heat means less foundation and concealer. I always recommend a CC cream like the one I'm using on Edna today, or a tinted moisturizer if you have very dry skin. Then, using either your fingers or a brush, apply it to the T-zone, including over your eye as long as the lids aren't oily. After foundation, add concealer to cover only the dark areas around the eyes or on the skin. If you notice it pilling or sitting on the surface of the skin, then it's probably full coverage and you need a lighter texture product. Brows frame the face, and on Edna, a shade called Silver Queen Brow Gel that goes with her hair will be enough to pop her brows. Bronzer and blush are key additions to a summertime makeup, and I apply bronzer under the cheekbones, jawline, and on the high points of the forehead. And then, with circular motions using a flathead brush, I work it into the skin so that there's no streaking and it looks like a sun-kissed glow. Be careful that there is no delineation between skin and bronzer, but that it looks very natural. Using a pretty pink cream blush, I apply it about 1 finger length from under the eyes and 2 fingers from the nose and blend it over the brow bones for a fresh, healthy glow. The solution for raccoon eyes is definitely water-resistant everything. So I'm starting with a bronze cream eyeshadow called Nebula, and I put it right next to her eye line, over her eye, in the crease, and under her eye. Then I use a soft brush, and in a circular motion, I blend it all over her lid so that it's very soft. After that, I'm careful to be sure that she has enough around her eye, and isn't that beautiful? Then I use a liner color called Wood, and I'm putting it between her lashes on the top and the bottom of her eye, being very careful that it's soft and doesn't have any harsh lines. Then I use it in her waterline. This is very important. This helps to pop your eyes without looking garish or overdone. Including underneath. I'm careful not to use it in the waterline underneath though. I think sometimes that can be harsh, but look how pretty that is. An extra trick is to make the outer edges of your eye slightly darker just to give the eye a lift. Then, just because I love glam, I put a little bit of a color called Starlight on her eyelid, just to make it pop. Next, I'm using a water-resistant mascara, and I'm using the color Black. After that, I take some lip liner and I line her lips slightly outside the lip line, and then I use a beautiful lip balm on top for that summer glow. And this is the end result. She looks gorgeous. We had so much fun making this. Please let me know your thoughts below.